So as you can see, I put some order on the heavy duty CNC. I put a table on it, and you can see now how the machine is built, and it's a pretty big one. The stiffness is pretty good. I also wash, you know, the area, and sweep all the floor. So there is the bandsaw here. There is my drill press here. It's a pretty big one. And I prepared a CNC machine with some stuff, as you can see here. So hopefully my machine is big enough to receive this kind of parts. So I will use the CNC machine for the contouring operation. An arcade machine has a rounded contour, so it's very helpful. And I will make also a lot of pockets inside to accommodate the plates between the two sides. So you will see it in detail with the, you know, with the with the print. So I bought some wood. So you can see here it's 3/4 of an inch of MDF. It's a pretty nice. It has a pretty nice surface finish. Yeah, so when you want to make some painting or other thing on it, it's pretty nice. And I also bought some square. It's 1 inch by 1 inch, and it will support, you know, the in-between plates between the both sides of the arcade machine. And I will use. I have a saw here, a table saw, where I will be able to make the cutting operation. And the table saw is very interesting because you can have the same parts when you made a setup. You can repeat the process and have the same parts, so it's a useful tool. And also I have a vacuum machine here because there is a lot of dust when you use this kind of machine. So when I start a project, I didn't make a print. Then I find some space where I will put all the parts, you know, inside you know, this drawing is supposed to be the big wood plates I use and I cut. And I made here a part list of what I need, the dimension and the thickness. Dimension are in millimeters. And when you will see the 3D model, you will understand how it works. So the first I will cut in small pieces, you know, all those plates. So it's not very interesting for you, so I will do it off camera. What I will do in a future video, I will share with you, you know, the CNC machining operation, and you will be able to see how it works and the process of it. So very useful to have this kind of machine. So I just finished to cut all the needed plates. So here it is, the result. It's the stack of wood plates. As you can see, I put some numbers on each plate, so it will be more easy to recognize where they come from. And what I did from the wood plates, I cut it. I make a drawing, and with a position with all the needed parts. So it's pretty easy to do the job. And I do the same with a more bigger plate here on the CNC machine. We switch on the light. So there is also some mark, as you can see here, and those one will receive some CNC machining. So that's why I put them here on the machine. And now the work I have to do, I have to program the CNC machine to make the job. So I will do that and share the result with you. So the next step now is to make machining on CNC machine, and after that assembly could be done. Hi all, welcome back in the shop. So I finished the setup on a CNC machine. I will do the first machining operation on the lower side of the plate. I put some clamp, and I'm not sure that there is enough space between the clamp here and the drill bit. So I increase the Z axis, and I will launch a draft pass to be sure that everything is in line. So this one will be the draft pass. Okay, so let's rock and roll. Things are pretty okay. The only thing that I have a big leakage on the water pump, so I need to repair that before making a further investigation.